Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install microsurveys FieldGenius. So what I've done is I've already downloaded the download file, and in the description down below, I'll have a link to where you can download the latest version of FieldGenius. But once I have the file loaded here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click to launch it. That is going to initialize the installer, and what should appear is a window here that is going to ask you to either update or install FieldGenius. Now, what you can do is if you have this launch when ready box checked, that means once the installation is complete, it will automatically install FieldGenius. Now, if you want that, have that box checked. If you don't have it checked. But once you're ready to go here, what you're going to do is click on update, and it's going to automatically run all the updates for you here. And once complete, the app will launch, giving you access to the new version of FieldGenius. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you install FieldGenius on your Windows tablet, computer, or wherever else you want to install it. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video, or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, or perhaps in the surveying space in general, give us a shout at 1-888-286-3204, or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.